Hey guys, how you all are doing? I hope you all are doing really well and taking ample care of your family. Okay guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable your 5G network in your phone. I mean, if it is compatible. Okay, yeah, that's more important. So I'm showing this for Android devices and I'm going to upload another video for iOS too. So I'm using Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, but yeah, same methods can work in others too. So what you got to do, you have to go to the settings. Okay. Once you are in the settings, tap on connections. Okay. Here, tap on mobile networks. Now you see network mode. What it is selected, LTE, WCD, MA, GSM, auto connect. But I have another option where 5G is also added. Okay. So I can just switch. That's it. And if you can see on my screen, immediately it's got switched to 5G. So that is how simple it is, guys. But yeah, if you have power saving mode enabled, it may not work because with 5G network, your battery consumption goes up. Okay. So those errors you may get, but if you get an error like that, like battery power saving mode needs to be turned off, you can go ahead, turn it off and then come back again. So that's how simple it is, guys. Let me know, guys, what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video.